In this Java Spring and Spring Boot tutorial, we are going to learn how to schedule tasks. That means to have, for example, a method that executes at a specified interval, say every 1 hour, every morning at 8 a.m., every 5 minutes, whatever the use case might be. To get started, I will use the Spring initializer. So let me select Gradle, Maven, and generate. I will unzip the downloaded zip file and open it in my code editor. To schedule a task, we can make use of the scheduled annotation. To demonstrate this, let me have a class. Let me call that my scheduler. Then inside here, I'll have a method that executes at the specified interval. Usually this should not return anything, otherwise it will be ignored. So I'm going to say public void my task. Then this method will do whatever you want it to do, whether it is to send some emails or do some backups, whatever, but you get the point. So let me just print something that says 3 guard. But at this point, we don't have a scheduled task. What we need to do is to use that annotation at scheduled. And I will specify the interval for this task. For example, to execute after every 3 seconds. After the method has executed, it's going to wait for 3 seconds and execute again. There are different options you can check. Now, if I run the application, nothing is going to happen because we need at least one more thing. So nothing happened there. What we need to do is to tell Spring to enable task scheduling. For that, I will go over to the main class and say enable task scheduling. And let me run this again. Wait. Okay, I think I'm missing something. Alright, so I should mark this as a component for auto discovery by Spring. I will run this one more time and we see if there is any difference. So this time we get the result. You can see that after every 3 seconds we get this method executed and then the output here. Alright, so there are different other options you can explore with this scheduled annotation. You can check the documentation for the scheduled annotation to see all the available options and things you can configure.